recipe is super simple. Cilantro, diced tomatoes, black beans, corn, Italian dressing, and some red pepper jelly. First, you're going to rinse your black beans and corn and add them in a large bowl. Add your diced tomatoes, a half a cup of Italian dressing. Pour that on top of your mixture. Cut up your cilantro, and I found the best way to cut up cilantro after you wash it is to roll it up into a ball and then cut it in little teeny pieces. You may need to do this a couple of times. And you want to make sure that after you wash your cilantro, you let it dry really good. It gives it a nice green, flaky feel. You can add this to the top at the end. I like to just throw it right in my mixture and get it nice and marinated into the salsa. I usually use a whole stalk of cilantro, but depending on what you like, you can add a little or as much as you want. Add that to your mixture. Don't forget to top it off with your red pepper jelly and give it a nice stir. See how pretty it is? Nice and green. Sometimes I'll top it off with a little bit of Tajin just to add a little spice. You can find your favorite fiesta ware, add this salsa to the mix, and I promise you everybody is going to ask how you made this salsa. Super quick, super easy, very, very economical. So I set up my mom cam to see who would be the first person to come in and sneak a little bit of salsa and chips. And of course, it was Sebastian, coming in from playing basketball. I laughed because not only did he do it once, twice, looked to see if I was coming, and added a third time. Your kids are gonna love this, I promise you. Super easy, you can leave it out, you can cool it off. It's nice for a bonfire, for a nice spring evening. All the kids are gonna dip it, try not to dip it on each other.
Delicious.
And I hope that you guys enjoy this delicious salsa that I promise everybody is going to love.